Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, this is a mail call slash shout out while I'm making me some breakfast. And let's go ahead and get started. First one is from my brother from another mother, Will Patriot. He sent me a sticker for my sticker board. And a little cool note. It's pretty funny. It says, hope all's well in your neck of the woods. Talking about the coronavirus thing. Make sure you don't drink any Coronas. I hear that stuff will mess you up these days. That's awesome. They sure will. Anyway, that's a sticker. Yeah. Another sticker from my sticker board. Will Patriot. That's a good looking sticker. From a great guy. Good friend. Will Patriot, y'all. I'm going to put the links to these channels in the description below, so go check them out. Give them some love. Now the second thing is another sticker. It's from my buddy Survivalust and his wife Mountain Dew. That's cool as hell, ain't it? That's a big old sticker. And it feels like it would be good for outside too. He never said it was. I'm not sure if it is. That's what it feels like to me. Big old sticker. Survivalust and Mountain Dew. Survival training, be safe, and preparedness. Plus all kinds of other things it says on here. Self-defense, survival clothing, sanitation, sustainability, shelters. All kinds of stuff it says on there. He's got a great channel, y'all. Just found him, well, it's not been too recently, but it's a great guy. Great feller. One more time. That's a big old sticker. And the third thing that I got is a big box of wood. Now this box of wood here is from my buddy, the Survival Junkie. Which his channel's not called the Survival Junkie anymore. It's called Kevin Outdoors. For some reason he got locked out of his Survival Junkie YouTube channel. Has to start all over. So y'all go make sure you go check him out. Make sure you check all three of these guys out. And this big box of wood is full of black walnut, which he knows is my absolute favorite kind of wood. I love the way it smells. I love the way it feels in my hand. I love the way my wood feels. Oh Lord. And he sent me a special piece of wood, which is Russian olive. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Look at all those little details and stuff in there. All this wood for him is scrap, because he works at a place that makes shelves. All this is scrap wood that they just throw away. So every once in a while he'll send me a big box of it. That's some pretty stuff too. I'm not all too sure, Kevin, that I can make anything out of this. I mean, I'm sure I can figure something out to make, but it's got so many places in it. It's thin. It's really thin, and it's got so many big old places in it. No matter where I cut at. See, I had already opened these boxes, these packages, just to make sure what was in them before I did the video. No matter where I cut at on this, I don't think, I'm going to try it though, but I don't think that I can get enough material cut out of this to make anything. Well, not knife handles or ferro rod handles anyway. Man, ain't that pretty. Ain't that just pretty as hell. Hey Kevin, if you watch this, you know, if you got any more of this stuff laying around that's a little bit thicker and not so beat all to hell, I'd like to do some trading with you on it. I'll make something with this though, if it's just a plaque with my face on it. I had watched a few videos where you could transfer a picture onto wood. That's maybe what I would do. Put my picture on there and send it back to you. You unlucky feller, you. Anyway, that's it. Y'all, Sunday, my knife giveaway. That's a Skinner. I'm gonna have another Skinner. Have a fillet knife. I'll have another Skinner. This is not giveaway. This is the one I'm giving away, but I'm gonna have another one like it for my auction. Nice Skinner, not this one, but it's one almost identical. And a couple other little small knives. So be there. If you're not on the it's going to be a live stream knife auction / giveaway, or giveaway / knife auction. If you're not there to claim your prize, then it'll go to somebody else. So make sure you're there, y'all, and take it easy. I'm out of here.